Robinhood versus SoFi, which is better for beginners crypto trader? If you're just getting started with crypto trading, chances are you've heard of Robinhood and SoFi. Both are popular platforms, especially for beginners looking to dip their toes into crypto without getting overwhelmed by advanced tools or complex interfaces. But here is the big question: which one is actually better for beginner crypto traders? In this video, we're comparing Robinhood versus SoFi across key areas like ease of use, supported coins, security fees, educational tools, and more. So stick around till the end because choosing the right platform can make all the difference in your crypto journey. And so all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is the basics for both platforms, since this is a beginner comparison. Now, Robinhood started as a stock trading application but quickly added crypto due to demand. It's designed to be clean, easy to use, and low cost. It's perfect for those who want a simple way to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a handful of other coins. Now, SoFi, on the other hand, or Social Finance, is a personal finance application that offers student loans, investing, banking, and yes, crypto trading too. Unlike Robinhood, it markets itself as a full-service financial platform with learning built in. So while both let you buy and sell crypto, their approach and ecosystem are pretty different. Now, let's talk about the ease of use or user experience. Beginner friendliness is the key to this subject. Now, for Robinhood, they have an extremely simple interface. They have real-time price charts that will go ahead and help a lot of beginners out there. They have one-click trading and no complicated wallets or external applications. Now, for SoFi, it is also a beginner-friendly application. They have a clean dashboard that integrates with banking and investing, and it is slightly more educational with prompts than Robinhood's. So the verdict or the conclusion for this category for ease of use is that Robinhood is more minimal, while SoFi has a bit more hand-holding, but both are great for beginners. Now, since we're talking about cryptocurrencies, let's then navigate through the category or subject about supported cryptocurrencies. So, what coin can you trade for both platforms? Now, for Robinhood, they support 15 major coins, and those coins include Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum, which is ETH, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and a few others. They have limited altcoin exposure. Basically, Robinhood only promotes big coins, so there are not a lot of options or choices on their platform. Now, for SoFi, they offer over 25 different coins. They include major coins plus newer coins and smaller market cap tokens. Now, still, it is not as expansive or as pro-level exchanges, but you have more options than Robinhood. Now, for this one, the winner is going to be SoFi because you get more choices as your interest grows. Let's also navigate through the fees and pricing transparency. So how much does it cost you to trade for these platforms right here? For Robinhood, they have no commission, but there's a spread on crypto trades, which is going to be a hidden cost. The next one is that they have a no fee transparency. It's difficult to calculate exact cost on Robinhood. And lastly, you don't fully own your crypto unless you opt into the Robinhood wallet. Now, for SoFi, they charge us a 1.25% markup on each crypto transaction. They are more transparent about fees, and you don't own the underlying crypto, and you can also transfer it outside SoFi. Now, the winner is that it gives a slight edge on SoFi for clearer fee structure, but both platforms are not ideal for high volume trading due to their spreads and fees. Now, we then have the learning resources, since this is a beginner subject. Now, are these built-in tools to help you learn crypto trading? Now for Robinhood, they offer basic blog style articles that will go ahead and help you with your journey. They have some in-app guides, and it doesn't really go deep on the crypto specific learning. Now for SoFi, they have a stronger focus on education. SoFi Learns section includes crypto explainers, glossary terms, market updates, and more. It's great for someone new to investing overall because once again, they have a stronger focus on education. Now, SoFi is best especially if you want to learn as you trade on cryptocurrencies. And since we're talking about money and security, let's then navigate through the security and ownership of both applications. So is your crypto secure or do you actually own it? For Robinhood, they are FDIC insurance on cash. Robinhood offers Robinhood Wallet for transferring crypto, which is launched recently. And without the wallet setup, you can move coins off the platform. Now on SoFi, they are partnered with Coinbase for custody and security. They do not allow external crypto transfers, and they also offer FDIC insured cash and two-factor authentication. Now for this category, I will give this to Robinhood only if you use their standalone Robinhood wallet, otherwise both are custodial. We then have the flexibility and ecosystem. So which platform offers more features if you want to expand your financial life? For Robinhood, they are great for stocks, ETFs, and now retirement accounts. Crypto is integrated but limited in that. Once again, they only offer 15 plus coins. Robinhood wallet is new, so it is still growing and we have to wait for it to fully use it into its full potential. Now for SoFi, they combine banking, investing, crypto, student loans, credit cards, and even financial planning. It's easy to manage your whole financial life in one place. And lastly, they have bonuses for recurring investments, including your crypto accounts. So for the ecosystem or flexibility, the winner is going to be SoFi if you want a full stack personal finance experience because they have everything in one place. Now, one of the most important aspects for these types of platform is going to be their customer support and community. So how fast can you get help? Robinhood offer 24/7 live chat support. They have in-app help center and the community Reddit is active. For SoFi, you have access to live chat and phone support. They include access to SoFi financial advisors for premium users, and they are well reviewed with the customer service. So for this one, SoFi is the winner for offering human financial advisors and better all-around support. And so, to answer your questions, which or who should use which application? So let's summarize who should use what. You want to use Robinhood if you want an ultra simplicity platform, if you're already using it for stock or option trading, and if you plan to use the Robinhood wallet to actually own your crypto. And now you want to choose SoFi if you're brand new and want a learning first experience, if you like the idea of combining banking, investing, and crypto in one place, and if you prefer a transparent fee model. At the end of the day, both Robinhood and SoFi are excellent entry points into crypto trading, but they serve slightly different audiences. So you can just go ahead and figure that out on your own on which type of trader you want to be. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.